ayan, nandito na lang po ang nag-iisang Diyosa sa gitna ng silangan. New day, new vlog, new kalokohan. So what are you waiting for? Taalo!
Hi, good morning sa inyo. Kamusta kayo?
Our vlog for today is first of all, we will speak in English because we have a lot of subscribers, especially my colleagues working in the hospital. Iba yung lahi nila, ayan. Nag-request sila, they requested to speak in English so they can understand. You know? It's too hard, but we will try our best. So, yes. Shout out nga pala, shout out to you, Ram, because Ram, he is one of our porter, office
worker, like that.
And one of our porters in my colleague in the hospital, he requested to speak in English para daw maintindihan niya. Yan guys, no? So our vlog for today, ayan, mukbang with Hubby. Ayan, our food for today, ayan, my husband, very handsome. Our vlog for today is mukbang with Hubby. Ayan. So our food for today is Arabic. So tell about, yes, this is Arabic. Not Arabic, biryani.
Indian food.
Yes. Actually guys, we have a lot here in the United Arab Emirates. We have a lot of kind of biryani. Huh?
Nationalities.
Yeah, I want to say, yeah, I want to say we have a lot of kinds of biryani.
Foods. Kind of foods. There's a biryani
okay.
and there
My
is
husband will tell you something.
mandi. But this is the favorite of Joanne, that's why.
Yes, biryani.
And my favorite is mandi, chicken mandi, Arabic food.
Baby, I'm not asking you.
No, I'm sharing only to them.
So ayun guys, we decided to, while we are eating, we will ask questions for each other, no? Like for example, I will ask him a question, but we will still we will still talk in English. So for
Speak
those
English.
yes, for those person work other nationality here in the UAE, you can understand what I'm saying because they suggest to put a subtitle. But it's too hard English. So for
Speak
those
English.
yes, for those person work other nationality here in the UAE, you can understand what I am saying because they suggest to put a subtitle. But it's too hard because I'm just new. I'm the
Beginner.
actress. Yes, I'm just beginner. I'm the actress. I'm the cameraman. I'm the editor. All I'm doing because I don't have still the team. But once I receive my salary from the YouTube, ayan, I will ang hirap mag-English guys. My husband will tell you something. Go!
Hi guys. So umpisahan na natin. What are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's start it.
Taalo!
Kuha na ako ng kutsara. Dito.
Edit ko naman yun.
Game.
Okay,
So let's
go.
eat.
So my
Come. Let's eat.
Okay. So my first question, Gregory. My husband's name is Gregory.
So what is your first question?
My first question, like a zoom.
Because we are hungry too much.
Yeah, we are hungry too much. We want to eat first. Yeah.
Top.
One.
This is laban up. Good for your bone.
So,
Nice.
my first question is, just wait for my husband. No?
Go ahead.
No. Guys, the best talaga. Ito yung this is the cheapest biryani in the town. 12 dirham pero laban. It's so tasty. It's very nice. This is one of my favorites here in chicken biryani.
Then no need to complete United Arab Emirates. It's UAE.
I want to talk in complete details.
Do you know it?
Okay. My
Here
first
in Dubai, yeah.
My first question is for my hubby, for my husband. What is your expression? The first time you see me, what is your first impression? Ayan.
My first expression,
What?
the first time that I saw you is eat lover.
Well,
Even your hair, it's eating, baby.
well, for your information, guys, so I'm always telling to my husband, if I will become sexy, Joanne will become perfect. No? Intelligent, beautiful.
What else? Very good.
Hirap talaga mag-English.
So, try it.
If I will become sexy, Joanne is 101% perfect. So I don't want, and I don't want you to be jealous.
Okay.
Okay, next. Okay, ask me a question.
My question is,
Sarap, guys. What?
wait susubo lang ako. I will take this first before I will tell her my question. Stop. Okay, let's proceed.
What?
For my first question.
What is
Do
your
you
question?
ever... This is my first question.
Oh. Ang long
Unlimited.
introduction?
Yeah, this is my first question to her.
So what is your question?
What is your favorite food?
Biryani, chicken biryani.
No, Filipino food.
Kare-kare. My favorite is kare-kare, guys. You can search what is kare-kare, but that is the... I don't know what...
To all wait. To all friends out there, you can search what is kare-kare in YouTube. I hope you will be you want to eat that one if you will see. Right?
That is made in beef. Beef.
Yeah. More questions, please.
What's your question? Very easy.
Let's drink Ramadan. Because today is Ramadan, right?
Yeah.
So, this is, if you will drink this one, if you're fasting, your energy will come back soon.
Pwede mo commercial ng laban. Laban, baka naman.
Shout out, Francis Leo Marcos, boss.
I don't, because,
Leo Marcos.
Francis Leo Marcos, he's one of the famous in the Philippines
Yeah.
nowadays.
He's helping us.
Because
He's
of
helping
the,
a lot
because of
people.
this, because of his vlogs also.
Yeah.
So,
One of my
idol
idols.
niya yun, guys. Ewan ko kung ano. Ewan ko kung bakit. And then, my next question is, Gregorio. Do you love me? Do you love me? Gregory love me? How many percent out of 1 to 10? How many, what is the range?
The range?
Yeah.
Of course, 11.
11.
Right?
Sabi sa inyo guys, patay na siya sa
Sana pa
akin.
kaya ako sa kanya? Guys, please lang. Mahal na mahal ko to, guys.
Ganun din naman ako eh. Pero hindi ako masyadong magrama katulad mo. Ayun. Okay. Shout out nga pala dun sa cleaner namin. Shout out. Shout out na naman. Shout out kay...
Medyo nabubulol na siya sa pagkain kasi masarap at medyo manghang.
Sarap. It's so delicious. Really.
Shout out.
Shout out
Correct.
kay Abdul, yung cleaner namin sa admin. He is one of our cleaners nila. Alcasimi Women's and Children's Hospital in admin. Hi! Ayan.
Ako naman. Shout out to yung mga neighbor namin dito sa bahay. Hi sa inyo, guys.
Okay, Gregory, what is your next question, please?
My next question, kailan ba tayo uwi ng Pilipinas?
We should talk in English.
When we will take vacation? Because, you know guys, kasi siya lagi ang nasusunod. She is the decision maker. So,
Because I have the money, that's why I should be.
okay,
I
answer my
should-
question.
What?
When we will take vacation again? To see our son.
Actually, guys, we already decided after 2 years because we are thinking if we will get back home every year. We will don't have any.
Ano yun?
Wala, ang
Ipon.
namin, yes, ipon. Ano yung isang ipon?
What is it? Savings then.
Yes, because we are thinking we need a lot of savings for our kids. So we want to have that because if we will go back, if we will get our vacation every year, our savings will. Bye bye. Am I right, Gregory?
No.
Mm.
So pwede ba natin kumain muna tayo? Ingitin muna natin sila or what?
We will just continue. We will just continue what we are doing right now, so they can. Our savings will. Bye bye. Am I right, Gregory?
No. So pwede ba natin kumain muna tayo? Ingitin muna natin sila or what?
We will just continue. We will just continue what we are doing right now, so they can.
Wow. So, sabi naman sa kanila kung ano yung mga ingredients and kung ano yung mga kinakain natin kasi pinakita lang natin sa kanila. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung mga
I
kinakain
told
natin.
you to speak in English so they can understand, Gregory.
Oh, sorry. So tell what is the ingredients of chicken biryani.
Gregory, I'm not the one who cooked this one. I just buy outside.
No. A little idea, a little.
Actually, I don't have any idea what is the ingredient of this.
Because
But
this rice is different to the Filipino rice that we are eating, right?
they are using masbati rice.
Yeah, the thin but big.
Yes.
And there is a spicy as well. This is spicy already, but this is additional spicy to make it super spicy.
We have also
Papadam.
papadam. For those Indian there out there,
Papadam.
this is very nice. Like chicharon in the Philippines.
Yeah.
But our chicharon you will put in the vinegar. But this one, you will eat same with the biryani. Yeah, you will just crush like this. It's very nice, guys. For all the sa mga kapamilya ko dyan, pag uwi ko ng Pinas, dadalan ko kayo nito.
Speaking English.
I'm sorry. For those for my family in the Philippines, when I got home, ang hirap lang mong English, guys. Pagbalik namin dyan, pagbakasyon namin dyan, magluto namin kayo ng biryani, guys.
Wow.
Ang sarap talaga mga kapit.
Very tasty. I think there's one restaurant in the Philippines that's selling biryani in Makati.
Guys, I will tell you something more. Before, I'm talking with my father. Yan. Shout out sa'yo, Tatay, Hubby.
Nay, gusto po.
Then, I showed to him our food, that is biryani, and my father told me that, what is that? Dog food?
No, cat food.
Cat food. So I informed, no, this is very nice.
No. Because of the texture and the color. But it's very, very nice. It's very tasty.
Yes.
greet them, all our Muslim brothers. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you.
For all my best friends, for all the
Colleagues.
for all my colleagues, for the Muslim, for all
Brothers.
brothers and sisters, for all the doctors, pediatric doctors, shout out,
Shout out, please.
shout out.
Shout. Yeah, correct.
For all my pediatric doctors, I miss you all. Ramadan Mubarak for all of you.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Yes.
May Allah bless us all.
Because nowadays, guys, because of our situation, me and Loveyou, we are not allowed to go anywhere in the hospital. Only our office and the washroom. That two place only. So, for those person, they are asking why you do YouTube, why you do that,
Why you vlogging?
why are you vlogging? Actually, the main reason is
They are bored.
Yeah, I get bored in the hospital nowadays. I don't have any meetings. I don't have any just to follow up. So I decided to create this video. I decided to create a YouTube channel. So I will entertain myself. Credit if I will have a lot of subscribers and views. We will have a salad.
Extra income.
Yeah, extra income, inshallah, please. So for all colleagues, for all the doctors, for all the people that watching this video, please subscribe and click the notification buttons so updated kayo lahat, guys. Ayun na. It's so difficult to speak in English, no? But we are trying. We are doing our best to all of you understand our
vlog.
Yeah, pwede na ba kumain?
So, magpaalam muna tayo sa kanila. Balikan na lang natin sila mamaya.
So, for the meantime, guys, we will eat first, and then we will get back to you.
Soon.
Thank you.
We will back to you soon, guys.
Yes.
Pasensya na kayo.
Kasi medyo nabibitin yung pagsubo-subo, nakakaya mo makita lahat.
Kaya nga.
Ayun, thank you guys. See you later. Babalik kami dyan. Kakain muna kami.
So,
We will eat first and we will come back to you.
yes. So, thank you for watching mga feks. Okay? Please like, subscribe, and click the below button for more updates and videos. So, final word?
See you later. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Not yet done. See you later. We will just eat first.
Ingat! Bye-bye!
After. Yan, natapon, guys. Sarap. Ayan po, pati buto nakain ko. Yan, sarap, guys. Hi mga pegs! Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this mga pegs. This video for today's vlog, that is enough. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more videos. And see you soon in our next vlog. Ingat mga pegs! And guys, I want only to inform you that for your safety, stay in one place, be secure, be isolated with love to you and to all of us.
Bye.
Ayan, bye!